lesson is on semantics. Do any of you know what that means? What does it mean? Semantics is the meaning of words. The way in which the referent of a noun phrase is involved in the situation is described or represented by the clause is the semantic role. There are 4 different roles that the noun phrases can play. There are agents and patients, experiencers, instruments and causes, recipients, benefactives, locatives, and temporals. The semantic role of noun phrases are assigned by the verb. An agent, the responsible initiator of an action. Brett kicked Sam, so Brett is the agent. Patient, who is affected by the verb and undergoes something of a change of state. Sam was kicked by Brett, so Brett was the one that was kicked by Sam, so therefore Brett is the patient. Experiencers, the subject or direct objects that receive a sensory input depending on the verb. Shay hates playing baseball. Connor felt threatened by Shay playing baseball. So when Shay plays baseball, Connor feels threatened. That is what his experience is. An instrument is an unnamed agent that performs the action. A cause is any natural force that brings about a change of state. And they can both be expressed as prepositional phrases or as subjects. Chris was woken up by his alarm clock. So the instrument is the sound of the alarm clock, because not the alarm clock. The alarm clock doesn't wake him up. It's the sound that comes from the alarm clock. So that is the unnamed object. And then for number 2, the wind blew Travis over. That is the natural force, the wind. A recipient is that which receives a physical object. Lindy gave Kara candy, so Kara is the recipient. A benefactive, that for which an action is performed. Sue Ellen traded books with Jake. Locative. The locative is the location of an action or a state. Donna's apartment sounds like a cool place to hang out. So location is the apartment. Temporal is the time at which an action or state occurs. Chloe was napping at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, September 19th. If you have any questions, write them down and bring them with you to class tomorrow. We will work more with semantic roles tomorrow during class.